Hi guys, I'm playing with my slime. Slime. This is my sister's slime. Slime. Don't. Look.
Arlene.
Look mine.
Arlene.
Look. Ay, wag! Kaya ko ito yan eh. She's angry. Comment if you love slime.
Yung may mga nagbabalik sa akin ng mga batik. Yun pala. Dito, sa mga bahay na nababalik sa akin. Tsaka, mamamatay na ba kayo?
Nag-pray na kami pala ulit para hindi mabay sa kami mga ganyan.
Golden mo.
Turelay.
Golden to? Ikaw ma. Golden ba to?
Oo, akin na.
Wait, sure ka ba?
Oo, akin na.
Wait, konektado ka ba?
Guys, I'm adding water to this one because it's getting hard. So, if you...
Sampa. Uy, uy, aray ko. Aray ko, bulat ako sa mo. Aga-aga na kinipaglaban.
Oh, my cellphone.
Sorry.
My cell phone. Be careful. Be careful.
Ano? Nagrararo. Aray ko.
I don't know about slimes. You guys, if you know about the slimes, tell me because I am just new. This is my first time to make a slime. Or bye. Is it getting into slime? Tell me in the comments if you love slime and tell me how to play my slime. So much. This is for all guys. Bye bye. Oh my god. Bye.